Usapang Canva.
Trabaho Talks with Ayn
and Gladys. Hi everyone, it's me, Gladys, your Canva Kada. Welcome sa pinakabago nating webisode ng Usapang Canva. We have some surprises up our sleeves, so make sure to watch till the very end. I'm sure excited na kayong makita ang ating extra special guest. Kilalanin natin siya, Ayn Bernos. Welcome!
Thank you so much, Miss Gladys, for having me. And hello, mga Canva Kada. I'm so excited and so lovely to be here.
So Ayn, gusto ka pa naming makilala. So can you tell us a little about yourself?
Like a lot of our Canva Kada, madami ditong mga raketera, raketero, and I consider myself one of them because I'm a content creator, I do hosting, I have a podcast, I am a speaker, I'm a business owner, so it's a little bit of everything, but mostly I am an online creative entrepreneur.
So it's very spontaneous, but lately, what has been keeping you busy?
Lately talaga, it's been content creation and social media because my main job as of the moment, and I'm very, very thankful na I'm a full-time content creator.
So let's get to know a little bit more about your line of work with a quick round of Whiteboard Wordplay. Ayan, so ayun, nag-prepare kami ng Canva whiteboard for you. Sarili mo talaga yan. Super simple lang to. We'll show you keywords sa whiteboard and you tell us the first thought that comes into your mind. Let's start with our first word, content creation.
So I'm gonna write here social media because social media talaga is the main reason I get to do what I do. I use many different platforms for every single endeavor, every single part of my content creator lives.
What can you say about your relationship with education?
Education. Ooh, meron akong laging sinasabi when I talk about education, and it is work in progress.
Interesting.
Because my philosophy, not just as a creator, but also as an educator, as a student as well, is that you're always supposed to be learning and there is no shame in learning.
Next word, what do you think about, and I love this word, we love this in Canva, empowerment.
Sa empowerment, I would put open doors. I'm not only here because I empower other people, but because I've been empowered myself. And
so nice.
I wanted to write open doors because I think my job as somebody in the industry is really to keep the door open because somebody else opened it for me.
Yes. The last word is Canva.
My word for Canva is access. This is based on experience that Canva has made things a lot more accessible and yung barrier to access has been lowered because of Canva. Like Canva has been a tool that I've used from the beginning of my career, from when I had a day job. I was starting my own business from scratch, na parang one-woman team. As somebody who's not a designer, how do you create designs? Nagkaroon kami ng opportunities to really learn and expand and execute our best ideas. So Canva was a discovery through my sister. She would always ask me for help sa any design projects. So unfortunately, at that time, na-busy talaga ako dun sa day job ko. She said na, okay, I'll figure it out, don't worry about it. Hindi talaga siya yung kind of person to do it, but she executed it so professionally. And na-curious ako as to what she used, and obviously, it was Canva.
So at this point naman, we'd love to learn more about how you started your career journey. And we're gonna type that into a Canva doc.
So when I was in college, I did a lot of internships. So from digital marketing agencies to magazines. And then eventually, yung first job ko, I was a social media specialist.
Ooh.
Ang pinaka nag-push sa akin talaga to take that leap outside of, working for other people was creative freedom. When I met my manager, I hired my EA, and when we started working together, na I could focus on content, the creative side, producing. Sila na yung business side na, okay, you do what you do, we'll figure out how we can make this a career. And the biggest turnaround was when I started doing short form content. Surprisingly, ang trending pa for me was yung educational videos ko na I would film sa sofa, sa bedroom, na I realized I didn't have to go far or do anything super crazy to create valuable content.
Now, everything you write in a doc, pwede mo nang ilipat into a Canva presentation.
I love that.
Galing, no? Now that you're here, what does a typical day-to-day work of Ayn Bernos look like?
So one thing that I do all the time is planning.
Yes.
But once I am done planning and putting everything on paper, aka my computer, we do yung filming, scripting, editing as well for socials. It really differs from day to day, but I like to have a little bit of a skeleton na babalik-balikan ko. So it's always planning, it's always collaboration, and also execution. What really helps me is, of course, the tools that I have, like Canva. Na parang, if I think of something, I want to do it, I want to show my team kung, guys, ito yung gagawin natin.
Right.
I can do it on Canva, which has definitely been helpful. Lalo na as a former one-woman team, I don't work on a 9-to-5 basis because ang daming ibang ganap, events, shoots. But when I do have the time, I'm on the go, I just pull it up and see na, okay, my team's getting it together and it's amazing.
Sobrang dami mo ng pinagdaanan at sobrang dami mo pa rin ginagawa. My next question is, having dabbled in so many different fields, what has been your proudest moment so far?
When I was creating content, iniisip ko, what else is there besides, makeup tutorials, besides traveling, besides all of these things? What's the core of what I do? And it really was building a community for my fellow Kayumanggis, and we've been able to do that in the last how many years, since 2018. And nagsimula talaga yan, it was us making educational content. Because of those things, we've been able to cultivate a group of Filipinos na talagang we would show up for each other. One thing that really attracted me to Canva when I was starting to do this on my own was how in some illustrations I can change the skin color. And for us, that was a huge part of making these things more inclusive and not just getting stuff that are already out there and really making it tailor fit for our communities.
How do you see yourself naman in the future?
We want to really focus on educational content and mindful education for our nonprofit, but at the same time, I want to keep learning. So, I want to pursue my grad school, hopefully in the next 2 to 3 years. Baka next year, magulat ka na lang.
Uy, you made it till here. So far, we've tried whiteboards, docs, and presentations. Subukan nyo na rin sila. Just scan the QR or click the link in the description to try our Learn and Play workbooks. Exciting, di ba? Now, back to the video. You've been so generous and you have been so inspiring today. So maraming salamat. But before you go, meron pa tayong isang thing to show you on Canva. This is gonna be in a form of Magic Write. Just ask away kay Magic Write.
So, let's write. Magic Write, please write an encouraging message. Okay. Sabi ni Magic Write, you are capable of achieving great things and I believe in you. Keep up the good work and stay positive. Remember that every step forward, no matter how small, is progress.
Naiiyak na ako.
Keep moving forward and never give up on your dreams.
Aw, that's so nice.
Ay, Canva, thank you naman.
Siyempre, salamat rin sa inyo mga Canvarkadas. As for our surprise na pinangako namin kanina, we have a Canva challenge coming up on our Facebook page this April 27. Sali kayo for a chance to receive a gift full of Canva merch. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for all things Canva Philippines. Thank you again, Ayn. Super duper thank you.
Thank you as well for having me. It really was a blast doing this with you, Canva. Till the next time.
Bye!